What's up mga laagan? Welcome back to my channel! Hi guys, good morning. Time check, it's 2 a.m. September 8th. So, we are officially here back at my home sa Pamills kung saan ako galing. So, I was really hoping that I can upload this siguro mga 3 days after we moved in. Kasi super kalat pa talaga, as you can see, ayan o. Pero yung likod, ganyan na talaga setup niyan kasi we have to utilize every space. Hahanapan ko pa ng paraan tong ibang gamit namin. Oo. A lot has happened and hindi ko talaga sukat akalain na babalik ako here. Ewan ko, basta, hindi ko ma-explain. Basta we're here back at my own house. And I was hoping that I can come back in YouTube. Sisikapan ko na matapos yung editing and matapos din namin yung pag-organize ng mga gamit. This move is motivated by wanting to have growth and at the same time, yung main reason talaga is I have to accompany my mom, as I have explained from my previous vlogs kasi my mom is a CKD warrior, stage 4. And right now, she needs company. Hence, ako. Kasi my brother and sister are not here in the Philippines. They are both outside. Or they are both out in abroad. So, my sister is in UK with her family. And my brother is in Australia with his family. So, lahat kami may family na on our own. Ako lang talaga yung nasa Pilipinas. Hence, that's why I'm here. So, I hope may mga supporters pa rin ako here in YouTube and you can still support me. I really hope that I can give you quality content and you can still support me. So, yun. Sharing you a glimpse of my trip to Manila. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit kasi super busy talaga with life and everything in between. Generally sa work kasi super busy ng work ko. Anyway, yeah, I'm currently here in Pasig. So, I'm with my work friends. Mag-explore kami dito. So, if you're curious kung ano-anong mga lugar yung ginek namin, just keep on watching. I will also do siguro a room tour ng accommodation namin ng friend ko. Medyo magulo lang siya right now. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-film talaga when I arrived here. When we arrived here kasi after the flight, medyo traffic from the airport to our location and we have to work kasi panggabi yung work namin. So I haven't had the chance to share a glimpse of the room tour na hindi pa masyadong magulo. So baka magulo to, but I'll try to be as neat as possible. So, ayan, I'm currently working right now. Nagtatrabaho pa rin yung ate nyo. So, yeah, I'll try to have this vlog completed as possible. Okay, so thank you. Thank you sa mga nanonood pa rin. And for the newcomers, welcome sa channel ko. Just what the receiving area looks like. So, may malaking salamin. And then the couch, andyan yung work bag ko, may electric fan, yung TV. Tapos of course, yung internet nandyan din. Ito yung kusina. It's kind of messy. So, nandito yung dala naming danggit. And then, utensils. And then, dried mangoes. Kasi bibigyan namin to sa friend namin na based here in Manila. An empty water bottle we bought yesterday. And of course, panglutuan, may power bank. So, charge kong lahat ng yan to prepare for the day. Ayan. Exhaust. And ayan.
And ito yung dining table. Tuwalya natin, sorry. Ito yung dining table. So, dito kami nag-work kagabi. Sometimes, when I do behavioral kasi, Natalie, yung kasama ko here, kasi nag-work siya sa kwarto. So, yun. Naka-break siya. Kaya, nandiyan yung laptop niya. But ito yung setup ko. So, may portable secondary monitor. Dinala ko talaga yan. My main laptop, webcam, extra keyboard, and of course, tita tayo girl, so mga liniments and inhalers, and etong sa super friendly to keep me awake and to keep my eye fresh. Hand cream. Of course, sinong makakalimot sa hand cream? And then, ito, alcohol spray. Yan. And mouse ko pala. Ayan. Ayan, pasok tayo sa kwarto ko. Dito ako matutulog. Ayan, naka-aircon tayo, girl. And yung maleta ko, ganyan, nandiyan. Ayan. Hi, guys. So, kakatapos ng shift ko. So, I'm about to sleep kasi may lakad pa kami mamaya. We're gonna be strolling maybe nearby mall or something. Basta, gagala kami ng mga kasamahan ko sa work. Nakasama ko today si Hazy, si Natalie, possibly si Mami Kat, and Apple. Hopefully matuloy silang dalawa. Anyway, and of course, yung partner ni Hazy. So, ayun. Excited na ako. So, let's get some little rest first. Buyers! Hey guys, I just woke up. So, maghahanap pa kami ni Nat kung saan kami kakain. So, if you guys... Hindi. Hanap pa ako. Nanghihingi pa ng suggestion. Parang talaga ilang araw dito. Anyway, maghahanap kami ni Natalie kung saan kami kakain today. So, be with us!
2026 mga wedding, o sabay-sabay tayo, di ba?
Ayan guys, nandito ako sa Contis kasi bumili ako ng pasalubong para sa family ko. Ano nga naman doon yung request ni asawa, tiramisu, tapos gusto ko kasi ng mango bread na slice, and then assorted na pastries para sa amin. So, hindi ako masyado munang bumili ngayon ng for friends kasi nagtitipid tayo ang mahal dito sa Manila. So, ayan, pauwi na kasi kami mamaya, mga 6 p.m. yung flight ko. So, ayun. Konti pa sa bubong for now. Anyway, mukhang papunta na yung ano ko, movie driver ko. Sa labas na tayo dito, be. Ayan. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys to support me sa mga bagong supporter. Welcome sa aking channel. I hope you guys had fun and I'll see you next week. Bye!
Ever since the day that you went away.